A wild animal entered into my under-repairing house. We identified it with help of Google. It was a raccoon. Before we record the video, it has bitten my friend on the hand. So we have to keep a stick for our protection. We didn't intend it to harm a bit, rather, we expected a safe rescue. Noises going around assemble door street dogs. Although these dogs were giving protection to us going forward to raccoon. As we were afraid of the raccoon, so was treating him slightly strict. Anyhow, we managed to make the dogs run and make raccoon safe. Raccoon was not ready to leave the house. He could jump upon me Anati Meso. We were afraid a little and were not going closely.
देखिए ऊपर से गिरते तो अरे मर दे ऐसा क्यों देखते नहीं लग सकता है भागिया पूरा चला गया उन्हें कुछ आता होगा किता